Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox display name Japanese. First, you need to open Roblox and navigate to the main screen. Ensure you are logged into your account, as you will be accessing personal settings. Having your preferred Japanese name already translated and ready to paste will make this process very quick and smooth. This step sets up the foundation for your new identity. After opening Roblox, look for the small gear icon, typically located in the upper right portion of your screen. This icon is your gateway to all account-related adjustments. Click on it, and a simple menu will appear, presenting several choices. From this list, select the Settings option, which will take you directly to your comprehensive account information page, ready for edits. Once you are on your account settings page, locate the Account Info section. Here, you will see your current display name clearly listed. To change it, simply click on the small pencil icon situated right beside your existing display name. This action opens an input field, allowing you to either paste your pre-translated Japanese name or carefully type it in. Remember to check for accuracy before proceeding. With your new Japanese display name entered, it is time to finalize your choice. Simply click the Save button, which is usually located below the input field. Please note, Roblox generally enforces a cooldown period of 7 days between display name changes, so ensure your selection is correct. Immediately check your profile or join a game to confirm that your beautiful new Japanese name is displayed as intended and fully active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.